Hello and welcome to Lauriceskitchen. Kitchen. After all my holiday gluttony, I am in the mood for some salads. So today I'm putting together Dorothy's dressing. This is a dressing from a Midwest restaurant that became so wildly popular she started selling the dressing on its own. Now there are a lot of recipes out there, but this is the one that I happen to like the best. So let's see what we're gonna need. This is a French style dressing, but unlike most dressings that are oil based, this one is tomato based, so we're starting with a 10 3/4 ounce can of condensed tomato soup. We'll also need distilled white vinegar, cider vinegar, and canola oil, along with a 1/2 cup of sugar. For our spices, we have ground mustard, celery seeds, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. This is all just getting mixed in a bowl. It's time to give our salad a taste, and I've made this dressing so much, I know that I love it. Hold on. Get a little bit of, hopefully everything in here. Ooh, onions. Mmm. Mmm. So good. Thank you for visiting Lauriceskitchen. Kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, give the like button a click and don't forget to leave a comment. We're always happy to hear from you. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and don't keep us a secret. Share our videos with your friends and family. You can follow us on Facebook for behind-the-scenes pics and videos, and on Twitter for upcoming videos and the random cat picture.